And once you've caught the gardening bug, you'll probably want to add more plants that return each year. These are called perennials, and they're a wonderful investment because they come back each spring with very little effort. Some of the easiest include coneflowers, also known as echinacea, which are loved by bees and butterflies. Black-eyed Susans with their cheerful gold and yellow flowers that brighten late summer. Daylilies, which are almost indestructible and available in a huge range of colours. Hostas, ideal for shady parts of the garden, where many flowering plants struggle. Sedum, also known as stonecrop, is perfect for sunny, dry areas and produces attractive flowers towards the end of summer. And peonies are famous for their spectacular blooms that can thrive in the same position for decades. And of course there's lavender, filling the garden with wonderful fragrance while attracting pollinators through the summer. Flowers provide colour, but shrubs provide structure. Think of shrubs as your architecture of your garden. They give it shape throughout the year, even when flowers aren't blooming. If you're planning your first garden, consider planting shrubs along the fences or boundary lines. This creates a natural backdrop for the flowers and vegetables, while adding privacy and making the garden feel more established. One excellent choice is the hardy fuchsia. Unlike tender varieties growing in hanging baskets, hardy fuchsias can survive Toronto's winters with very little protection once established. From midsummer right through to autumn, they're covered in elegant dangling flowers in shades of pink, purple and white, and they're a favourite of hummingbirds and pollinators. Plant them about a metre apart along a fence, pathway or property boundary, and they'll soften the hard edges while adding months of colour. Mix them with other easy shrubs to create interest throughout the season. Hydrangeas produce spectacular flower heads in the summer and autumn. Spirea is compact, reliable and covered in blossom in spring and summer, depending on the variety. Potentilla flowers for months with very little maintenance and is ideal for sunny borders. For year-round greenery, boxwood is hard to beat. It keeps its leaves throughout the winter and provides neat evergreen structure that looks attractive in every season. So by combining shrubs at the back, perennials in the middle and annual flowers at the front, you'll create layers of colour, texture and interest that make even a young garden look mature and welcoming.